husband lowered it. All right, sorry. The first drawing I did was Snuggy. I apologize for no sound. I don't want to do it again because I want to make sure it's all fair. But this first prize is from my daughter-in-law's shop, Marmee and Company, and Snuggy has won this first prize. So we are going on to the second. And the second one has a blue cup with an iWatch band and another sleep mask. How cool is that? I personally don't like to sleep with masks because I would forget I'm wearing one and think I went blind overnight. Okay, let's see who won the second one. Here we go. Let's make this louder. Okay, ready? All right, let's hide Snuggy. Okay, here we go. Pam, you have won. Okay, it is my birthday today. You have won the second one. Thank you so much, everybody. I apologize. I totally spaced it, but you are, Pam and Snuggy, you will be getting these prizes coming up shortly. Thank you all for listening and participating. I've had so much fun, and we'll see you in the next event. So be kind.